Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will learn about future perfect continuous tense. Future perfect continuous tense is used for actions that will continue for some time in the future. The sentence structure is subject plus will have been plus verb plus ing. We will learn some example sentences. I will have been studying for 2 hours. I will have been working in this company for 5 years. They will have been playing cricket since morning. We will have been waiting for a long time. She will have been learning English for 6 months. Small steps today will create big results tomorrow. Keep practicing and believe in yourself. Thank you for watching.